Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most recognizable data visualization tools, the combo chart. If you want to show different types of data together, like trends and comparisons, in a single view, the combo chart is a fantastic choice. So what is a combo chart? It combines two chart types, usually columns and a line, in one chart, often using two axes. This makes it super easy to see the relationship, differences, and overall trends at a glance. Let's say we want to see how sales revenue changes across different dates, while also tracking the month-over-month growth rate. Here's how you can create a combo chart for this scenario. First, go to your dashboard and switch to Edit mode. Then click Stats, and select the relevant data source, such as sales revenue. On the right panel, choose the Combo Chart option. Now, let's set up the chart. First, choose a dimension. A dimension defines the categories you want to compare. Since we're analyzing how revenue changes over time, date is the best choice for our dimension. Next, select a metric. A metric represents the values you want to measure. In this case, we use monthly revenue because it shows how much revenue is generated in each time period. To configure the chart, drag the date field into the dimension area. Then drag monthly revenue into the left metric area. After that, drag monthly revenue again into the right metric area. And rename it Month-over-month growth rate. Finally, choose Advanced Computing. Growth rate, MOM. Month-over-month compares the current month with the previous month. It's useful for tracking short-term performance and identifying recent changes quickly. If you want to analyze longer-term trends, such as comparing this month with the same month last year, you can choose year-over-year instead. And just like that, your combo chart clearly shows how revenue changes over time, along with its growth trend. It's a great way to visualize multiple metrics at once and make your data easy to understand. Want your charts to stand out? First, under Combo Chart Type, you can choose how each axis is displayed. For example, you can use bars on the left axis to show revenue and a line on the right axis to display growth rate. Next, in Line Style, you can adjust how the line appears. You can switch between a straight line or a curved line and choose whether to show data points on the line to highlight exact values. Moving on to the X-axis settings, you can control how labels are displayed. For example, you can keep labels horizontal for better readability, or choose to display all labels when your time range is short. In the Y-axis section, you can customize both the left and right axes separately. You can add axis titles and manually set the maximum and minimum values if you want more control instead of automatic calculation. Under Data Label, you can choose to show values directly on the chart. If labels overlap, you can let the system auto-fit them, hide overlapping labels, or stagger them automatically to keep the chart clean. The Legend section allows you to control where the legend appears, such as displaying it at the bottom of the chart for better balance. You can also add more advanced features. With Data Alerts, you can set alerts when values meet certain conditions. Reference lines help you mark benchmarks or target values. By enabling data drilling, you can click into the chart to explore more detailed data. And with chart linkage, you can connect this chart to other charts on the dashboard, making interactions more powerful. Finally, switch to the Chart Style tab to customize the overall appearance. Here, you can set the background color or image, add a chart title, and adjust the chart color theme to match your dashboard design. And that's how you use a combo chart to show trends and comparisons in a single view. Combo charts are perfect for displaying relationships between metrics while keeping your data clear and visually appealing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Drop a comment below and let us know what Jodoo features you'd like to learn about next. See you in the next episode.